Hello, first graders. It's Miss Gilbert here with the math for today. First, before we start math, I want to tell y'all I miss you, all of you, so much. I miss watching you play at recess. I miss having lunch with y'all and doing cafeteria karaoke. I miss y'all so much. I hope everybody's doing good and you're staying home and you're being safe. And let's start math for today. Okay, so I was thinking today might be a fun thing for us to make something. And this is not going to be hard for you to do. It's going to be easy. You need a pencil. You need a paper that's this kind of paper. It doesn't have to be from a notebook. This is just the only kind I have. See, I'm going to actually rip it out. So if you have some that already didn't have that, that's even better because it'll look prettier. So you need some paper. And then if you want to decorate, you can decorate it later with crayons or markers if your mom or dad say it's okay. Okay. So what we're going to do today, I'm going to show you, because I know we've been working on subtraction this week. And I was thinking about, in my class, I know a lot of students in my class, when they're doing subtraction, they like to use a number line. And so I have number lines that they can borrow. So a lot of them have number lines in their WIP folders. And then I know all the teachers have the number lines posted up on the wall, like the big numbers up on the top of the wall. But at our homes, I mean, you can see the top of my wall. I don't have a number line there. I feel like I should buy one, but we don't have a number line on our wall, and we don't have our WIP folders, and so we may not have a number line. So I thought, you know what we should do? Let's make a number line. Doesn't that sound exciting? Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna get your paper that's like this, okay? And like I said, it doesn't have to be from a spiral notebook. I just happen to have that right here. So you're going to take this paper and you're going to fold it like a burrito, just one time, like this, okay? And you can see all the lines here, okay? So get your paper, get your pencil, fold your paper, and then I'm going to show you what to do next. All right, I'm going to open up my camera here so y'all can see how we're going to make the number line. So after you fold your paper in half like this, you can see right on top of the lines, I'm starting to write my numbers. Really nice and neat. And the important thing is you have to make sure you write them on the lines. Okay, so this is good number writing practice too, your nice, neat handwriting. I'm really going to take my time so I don't skip a number on accident, or I don't accidentally write a number backwards. That can happen to us sometimes. And I'm gonna stop at 20, okay? So you're gonna start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Go ahead and do that now. Okay. After you have your number line made, and the most important thing is your numbers are nice and neat and you can read them and that they're on the line, okay? So really take your time, go slow so you can get it nice and neat. Now, after this is made, you don't have to do this part. Only if you want to do this part, you can decorate up here. You can draw a pretty picture. You can draw, you know, I know at school I have one that looks like there's a barn, there's a farm. At Halloween we had a spooky house one. So you can decorate your number line if you want to. You don't have to if you don't want to though. Okay. Now, Let's do some math with the number line. So I know we were talking about fact families a little bit earlier this week when we read Joe's Carrots. So let's do a fact family. I'm going to do my favorite fact family. I don't know why I love this one, but I do. So I'm going to do 7 plus 5. I'm going to start with 7 plus 5, okay? So when we have 7 plus 5, we're going to remember how, I know you guys remember how to do number lines because we did this so much when we were at school. So you start with 7 and remember we only count the jumps. That's the most important part. You count the jumps. So we're going to start at 7 and jump up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And where did we land? 12. That is correct. 7 plus 5 is 12. Now, let's do the other addition one. Remember, you flip it around. 5 plus 7. Now, you really don't need to use your number line to figure this out. You probably know it already in your brain because we've already talked about 7 plus 5 and 5 plus 11 are the same thing. So we know this is going to be 12. But let's just, since we're doing number line stuff today, let's just work it out to double check ourselves. So this time we're going to start at 5 and we're going to jump up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. We landed on 12 again. Now, let's do the subtraction part of these number lines. Of this, not of these number lines, sorry guys, of the fact family. See, I said the wrong thing. It's just like where we're in school when I'm always saying silly things. Just the same. Okay, so with the subtraction ones, we're going to start with the first number, which is 12. And remember, when we do subtraction and we're using a number line, we go backwards. So this one says 12 minus 7. So I'm going to start at 12 and I'm going to jump back 7 hops. We're counting the hops again. So we'll start at 12 because that's what it says. I'll start at 12 and we're taking away 7. So I'm going to jump 7 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we landed on 5. 12 minus 7 equals 5. Correct. Thumbs up for us. Last one. 12 minus 5. So once again, we're going to start at 12, but this time we're only going to jump back 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12 minus 5 equals 7. And here we have a beautiful fact family, and they love each other. All right, first graders, I hope you enjoyed today's math with number line making, starring me, Miss Gilbert. I hope you found a paper to make a number line. I hope you get to decorate your number line maybe later today, if you didn't do so already. And keep your number line in a safe place with the rest of your school things, because we could use it again for another day and it'll make your addition and subtraction easier. I'll see you another day. Love you, miss you. Bye.